Okay, Shelby, you'll need this table here. This is a test review. And you're going to cross this out. We're not going to use that, okay? So, take off your W-2, and you're going to find out how much tax you have to pay. Tax paid to U.S. government, United States. That's what U.S. means, okay? It's our country. Goes to Washington, D.C., because that's our state's capital. Now, wages, salaries, and tips. So that's $100,600. That's how much money I make. Okay. Taxable interest, $300. Okay, unemployment compensation. We are not unemployed. Then on line 4, I add lines 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so plus, plus. Okay. So 100,600 plus 300 is 100,900. Okay. Line 5, this is our exemption. We are single, okay? So 9,500, okay? Line 6, subtract line 5 from line 4. So here's 4 and here's 5. We minus those. So 100,900 minus 9,500, 91,400. Now, after you have the 91,400, you want to go up here because that's the number you look at on the table. That's your table amount. Then line 7, federal income tax withheld from W-2, and that is how much I've already paid, okay? So 14,123. 8A. 8A and 8B, we're both going to put 0 in. Okay? Because again, it says W-2. Okay? W-2, so 14,123 right there. Okay, line 9 says add lines 7 and 8A. So we just add those, but I'm just adding 0, so it's identity. It's 14,123. Okay? Line 10, use the amount on line 6 above to find your tax in the table. Okay, so now I go look at that in my table, 91,400. Now that's a lot of money. Okay, so I go to my 90,000s. 91,000, sorry. So that's the 70s, 80s, 90s. So 91,400. There's my 400 right there, okay, right there. You can't see it on camera. It's right here. So this guy owes $20,092. All right, now, final step. I have already paid $14,123, okay? I have already paid. I need to pay $20,092, okay? It always goes, you've already paid and you have to pay. Now you're going to subtract these. You always subtract those numbers. Okay, so I take 20,092 minus 14,123. $5,969. Okay, now where do I put that? What's more? Have I already paid enough? Because I need to pay this. Have I already paid that much? No, I haven't. Okay, I need to pay this. I've already paid that, so I owe that money. Okay? Now, if I've already paid more than what I need to pay, I get a refund. That means I get money back. But owe means I pay the money. Okay? So, that is owed. So $5,969.00. And you're done. Now again, I can't emphasize that enough. If I've already paid more than I need to, then I subtract, but it's a refund. Okay? Okay, then we have a problem on this page right here. Find the state tax on the following income of $45,300. This is where we use state tax. So we're more than 8,000. So from zero, I got a lot of workspace here. 0 to 8,000, 5% of, and I'm more than 15,000. So from 8,000 to 15,000, I'm 6% of. From 15,000 to 20,000, I'm 7% of. Then from 20,000 to 30,000, I'm 8% of. And then from 30,000, okay, and then I'm not over 50,000, so it goes from 30,000 to 45,300. Okay, and that's 9%. I don't go into the 10% because I didn't make more than 50,000. Okay, so 8,000 minus 0 is 8,000. 15,000 minus 8,000 is 7,000. Now 20 minus 15 is 5, so 20,000 minus 15,000 would be 5,000. 30 minus 20 is 10, so that would be 10,000. And then 45,300 minus 30,000 is 15,300. Okay, so again, we divide the percent by 100, 0.05, and then I multiply. $400. Okay, 0.06, and then I multiply. That's $420. Then 0.07, then I multiply. 350. Eight divided 0.08, you can tell where that's going. You know the pattern. Of means times. Okay. So I take 0.08 because I'm finding what 8% is of 10,000. I get 800. And then 9% times 1,377. And then I add, okay? All these amounts I add together, okay? So 400 plus 420 plus 350 plus 800 plus 1,377 is 3,347. And that's tax I pay to Iowa. Now, on my W-2, a lot of times, it'll say state income tax paid, and if that's like right here, and if that's higher than this, and then we subtract them, we do the same thing we did on here. we subtract them, and then I owe or get a refund. But this is just figuring out how much you pay to Iowa.